Hi there. This looks like a simple problem, but people make mistakes with it. First thing, if you're following order of operations, you know you're going to do this division before you do that multiplication. So you start with this. Then people say to themselves, I'm dividing 8 in half, and they'll put a 4 and go 4 times 2, and then they would get an 8. But that is incorrect. Now, it isn't that we didn't follow the order of operations. We did. But what we did is we misinterpreted what it means to divide something by half. If you say to yourself that you're dividing something in half, you are taking that number and you are dividing it by 2, and that would be 4, and that's what I did. But that's not what this is saying. When you are dividing by 1/2, visually, what you're asking is how many halves are in an 8. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the question is how many halves are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. There are 16 halves, and I should have gotten a 16. Now, this is not the way most people do it once you get out of primary school and you know what it means to divide by 1/2. We push symbols around. So to make that work with symbols, you take that 8, divide instead of saying divided by 1/2, we end up multiplying by 2 over 1, which is gonna just be 8 times 2, and that gets us the 16. So that is what your teacher's expecting to see. This is the concept of what it is you're doing. So don't say in half, you should say by 1/2. So let's redo this problem. So instead of 8 divided by 1/2, it's gonna be 8 times 2 over 1, and that's times 2. And this just works out to be 8 times 2, that is 16 times 2, and we end up with an answer of 32. That is the correct answer.